Good morning students and welcome for your maths lecture. Now students, as you all know that we have completed with the portion. Okay students, आप सबको पता है कि हम लोगों ने लास्ट लेक्चर में पूरा पोर्शन ख़त्म किया. We finished with the portion. Okay, so students, from today we will again revise one lecture. From today again we will revise one chapter. जो भी चैप्टर्स हम लोगों ने अभी तक पढ़े हैं वो हर एक चैप्टर्स को हम लोग एक बार वापस रिवाइज करेंगे, सो दैट वुड बी easier for you all to understand and grab it once again clearly. Okay, so students, in book number 4 we studied the first chapter, that was chapter number 13, that is multiplication part 2. ओके, बुक नंबर 4 में हम लोगों ने कौन से चैप्टर देखा? पहले चैप्टर नंबर 13, दैट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन पार्ट 2. Okay, so students, again today we will revise that whole chapter today. In today's lecture I will revise that whole chapter today. Okay, so now let us proceed with the revision part of the chapter. Okay, so I want that everybody should pay attention as whatever I'm explaining in the lecture. Okay, now students, we will revise the chapter number 13, that is multiplication part 2. Okay, and before I start, students, those who haven't completed the chapter, okay, so once again I'm revising the chapter. So jinka abhi bhi combined book incomplete hai, they will complete this part whatever I'm explaining. Clear everybody? Okay, so in this chapter number 13, multiplication part 2, formative assessment. Okay, in that first one is class work, multiply the following. It is multiply the following, means the question is given, you have to multiply the following. So they have given in a box format, that is 1000, 100, tens, units. They have given the place name. The question is 743 multiplied by 5. What is the dividend? Sorry, not dividend, multiplicand. Multiplicand is 743 multiplied by 5. 5 is a multiplier. 743 क्या है? Multiplicand है. Okay, so you will do the multiplication. 5 3 is a 15. So 5 you will write. Whenever you are writing the answer, first you have to write the units place and tens place you have to carry. Okay, so 5 3 is a 15. So 5 you will write, 1 you will carry here. कहाँ पे 1 को carry करना है? At tens place. Okay, 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So again 1 you will write, 2 you will carry. Why you will carry it? Because there is a number at hundreds place. If there would be a no number, then no need of carrying. Okay, 5 7s are 35 plus 2, it is 37. So you have written here 37. You haven't written 3 here because there is no number over here. Whenever there is a number, then only you will carry it. So your answer is 3715. Clear? Second one is 1000, 100, tens and units. 409. Now 409 is a multiplicand. Okay, and multiply by 4. 4 क्या है? Multiplier है. 409 is a multiplicand and 4 is a multiplier. Now let us do the multiplication. Whenever you are doing the multiplication, start from the units place first. Okay, you have to always start from the units place. So 4 9s are 36. So 6 you will write, 3 you will carry. Okay, because there is a number, so you will carry that 3. 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3, 3. Only single digits, so you will write it down. 4 4s are 16. So you will write 6 and 1. Why you will not carry 1? Because there is no number in the thousands place. So you will write directly in the answer. So your answer is 1636. Clear? Third one. Third one is 1000, 100, tens, units. Okay. Multiplicand is 354. Now 354 क्या है? Multiplicand. Multiplier क्या है? By 9. So 9 is a multiplier. So we'll do the multiplication, that is 9 4s are 36. 6 you will write, 3 you will carry because there is a number at tens place. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 it is 48. So 8 you will write, 4 you will carry because there is a number at hundreds place. Okay. 9 3s are 27 plus 4 it is 31. So we'll write 3 and 1. Why you will not write 3 here? Because there is no number at thousands place. So your answer is 3186. Clear? Now we are students, second question is on the same page, page number 47. Second question क्या है? Multiply the following. It is multiply the following. In that they have given 1000, 100, tens, units and multiplicand कितना है? पहले multiplier only one digit was there. Now multiplier is 2 digits. So multiplicand is 37 multiplied by 27. So multiplicand कितना हो गए? Multiplicand is 2 digits and multiplier also 2 digits. So first we will begin from the units place. Units place. So 7 7s are 49. So 9 you will write, 4 you will carry because there is a number at tens place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, it is 7 7s are 49. 4 you will carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, it is 25. It is 25. Okay, you can't write 2 here because there is no number at hundreds place. So we'll write 25 over here. Clear? Then नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई. अभी 7 का हो गया, अभी 2 का लिखना है. बट 2 का कहाँ पे लिखेंगे? नीचे लिखेंगे बिकॉज इट इज एट टेंस प्लेस. यूनिट्स के प्लेस पे था तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया. नाउ यू विल कम वन स्टेप डाउन. ओके, सो इट इज एट टेंस प्लेस. नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लायर कहाँ पे? टेंस के प्लेस. सो यू हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम द टेंस प्लेस, बट यू कैन कीप यूनिट्स प्लेस एम्प्टी. सो यू विल राइट देयर 0. You have to write there 0. Okay, so units place. 2 7s are 14. 4 you will write, 1 you will carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, it is 7. Single digit. So here also numbers are not there. Next multiplier is also not there. So you got both the steps numbers. So we'll do the addition of it. Okay, so 9 plus 0 9. 5 plus 4 9. 2 plus 7 9. Clear? How we are supposed to solve the multiplicand 2 digit with multiplier 2 digits? So in this way, students, you are supposed to solve this second one, third one, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, I have explained you all the format of the concept. Okay, because already we have solved this sums. Now students, on the same page number 47, question number 3 multiplied is 1110 units. It is 223 is a multiplicand multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. ये हमने अभी मैंने जो फर्स्ट वन आपको एक्सप्लेन किया, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट इज एक्जैक्टली सिमिलर टू दिस. सो दिस कंसेप्ट इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Is that clear? Okay, now you will turn your page number 48. Now on that page, students, these questions I have explained, these are the homework part. Okay, now here next question, solve the problems given below. Now these are what? Word problems. These questions are of word problem. First one, find out the total cost of 3 shirts costing rupees 495 each. Each means one shirt. Cost of one shirt का कितना प्राइस है? 495. तो ऐसे 3 shirts का कितना है? तो आपको 495 को 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो इट इज रुपीज 1485. सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 shirts इज रुपीज 1485. इज दैट क्लियर? द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ 3 shirts कितना है? 1485. एक शर्ट का प्राइस है 495. हमें फाइंड आउट करना था 3 से 3 shirts का. सो वी मल्टीप्लाइड 3 with 495. You got the answer 1485. So this is the total price for those 3 shirts. Is that clear how you are supposed to solve the word problems? Okay. So students, your second one also you have to solve it in a similar way. Second one also in a similar way. Now here third one is that in a mango grove there are 45 rows with 32 trees in each row. How many mango trees are there in the grove? एक बड़ा mango grove है, उधर there are 45 rows. Total how many rows are there? 45 rows with 32 trees in each row. Each row मतलब one row. So one row में कितने trees है? 32 trees. So how many mango trees are there in the grove? Total वो mango grove में कितने mango trees है वो हमें find out करना है. But in one row there are 32 trees and there are how many rows? 45 rows. एक row में 32 है लेकिन 45 rows में कितने हैं वो हमें नहीं पता है. So we have to find out of 45 rows. Okay, so 45 multiply by 32. Why 32? Because एक row में अगर 32 है तो 45 rows में कितने? So 45 multiply by 32, you will get the answer as 1440. So I have explained you all how to do multiplication of 2 digits multiplicand with 2 digits multiplier. Clear? So after doing this multiplication you will get the answer 1440. So total there are total 1440 mango trees in the grove. Is that clear everybody? Okay, so in a similar way, fourth one भी आपको वैसे ही solve करना है. They have given cost of 1 book and you are supposed to find out the cost of 25 books. Okay, and this is the fifth one, that Seema bought 2 dresses for rupees 695 each. How much did she pay in all? उसने 2 ड्रेस खरीदा लेकिन each बोले, मतलब एक ड्रेस का प्राइस कितना है 695, तो 2 ड्रेसेस का कितना है, that is 1390. Clear? Now students, on the page number 49 there are 3 word problems. Those word problems are also similar to whatever we studied now. Okay, now you will open page number 50 now. Okay, page number 50. Students, now page number 50, question number 2, multiply the following. First question is 125 multiply by 52. Now multiplicand कितना digits का होगा, 3 digits and multiplier 2 digits. So first we'll start from the units place. Okay, we'll start from the units place. So units place 2 5s are 10. So 0 you will write, 1 you will carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, it is 5. 2 1s are 2. Okay, ये units place का होगा. Now tens place. So tens place will start from here. So this place you have to write 0. Units place you will write 0. Okay, so tens place 5 5s are 25. So 5 you will write, 2 you will carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So 2 you will write, 1 you will carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. Clear? So now the multipliers are finished. Now you will do the addition. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 5 10. So 0 you will write, 1 you will carry. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 and 6 will come as it is. So your answer is 6500. Understood how you are supposed to do the multiplication of 3 digits multiplicand with 2 digits multiplier? Okay, so similar way students, you are supposed to solve these questions also. All these 8 questions आपको वैसे के वैसे ही solve करना है with the same method. Okay, even here in word problems they have told that there are 18 sacks of rice in a van. If each sack weighs 105 kg, what is the total weight of all the sacks? If there is a rice in 18 sacks in a van, 18 sacks के rice के 18 sacks है किधर van में. If each sack weighs, if each बोला मतलब एक सैक का अगर वजन है 105 kg तो 18 सैक्स का कितना है. So 105 multiplied by 18, so you'll get the answer 1890. So the total weight of 18 sacks is 1890 kg. Clear how you are supposed to solve the word problems? Okay. In multiplication it is mostly they have given the price of only one thing and you have to find out the answer of the multiple things. Clear? So you have to do the multiplication. Now students, on the next page, page number 51, the word problems are similar. So you have to read the questions and you have to understand the word problems. Is that clear everybody? Okay. So with this, I have completed the revision part of this chapter. In the next lecture, we will do the revision part of the next chapter. And students, today there will be no homework. लेकिन अगर किसी का ये chapter incomplete है combined book number 4 में, then they can complete this chapter. Okay, and there is no written homework today, but you will practice the sums again in your maths notebook. Is that clear everybody? Okay, so with this I'll end our today's lecture. Thank you.